Hello, Namaste, Annyeonghaseyo Kpop fans. Welcome to our channel UNNie. Today's video is about Top Media Winter Quick Audition in Top Media Entertainment Company. In this video, I will tell you audition qualifications, audition category, audition period, required attachment files, awards and benefits, audition procedure, how to apply in the audition with me and know what you need to write in the application and results announcement. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to know more about the upcoming K-pop audition informations and tips. You can also follow me on Instagram for my upcoming videos update and some more information that I am unable to share on YouTube. The ID link is in description box. Now let's start our video. Note: to know about Top Media Entertainment Company and its artists, please watch this video. Its link is in description box. Audition qualifications. Any boy or girl from any country born in or between 2005 to 2012 can apply in this audition. Audition category. Choose any one or two categories from vocal, rap or dance. Audition period from 8th February till 28th February 11:59 pm KST. So this audition has already been started and its last date is 28th February, and please apply before 11:59 pm KST. And don't forget to change this Korean Standard Time in your own country's time zone. Like Indians need to change KST into IST. That means according to Indian Standard Times, Indians need to apply before 28th February 8:29 pm IST. You can easily change your country's time zone by using Google. Required attachment files. Attach total 2 photographs, one half upper body front picture and one full body free pose picture without any editing and filters. Attach around 1 minute long talent video. Awards and benefits. A successful applicant will get an opportunity to participate in special training system of Top Media Company. Audition procedure. First round will be online round, in second round there will be Zoom 1-1 round, and in third round final audition and meeting in Korea. Please watch these two videos to know how company will contact you for second round, what will happen in Zoom 1-1 audition and what you need to prepare for your Zoom 1-1 audition. These videos links are in description box. How to apply. Send your pictures and required video with your name, date of birth, height, weight, contact information to their KakaoTalk ID @Top Audition. I will attach their KakaoTalk ID link in description box. Now let's see application process. First, make sure that you have KakaoTalk app in your device and you have created an ID. To know how to create KakaoTalk ID, please watch this video. Now tap on their KakaoTalk ID link in description box. Tap here and it will take you in KakaoTalk app. You will see this ID. Tap on this chat option. Now write your name, date of birth, height in centimeters and weight in kilograms, mobile number with country code, and write 10-digit number and email ID, and it's done. Now tap on this plus icon, choose album, tap all, tap here, and from here choose your one half upper body front picture and one full body free pose picture. Now just like this, attach your talent video. And it's done. Let it upload 100% and that's it. You have successfully applied for this audition. Results announcement. Only past candidates will be contacted via email or phone call within 1 to 2 months after 28th February. Today's comment winner is Tanya Verma. Thank you so much, Tanya, for your trust, support and concern. Please keep supporting and loving our channel. Lots of love to you and for all my viewers. In my next video, I will announce the next comment winner from this video. So please don't forget to comment and show your love. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you a lot. If yes, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and support to our channel. I will meet you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, love yourself and be happy.